Hello again, folks. So today I thought I would pick another Disc Detainer lock. This is my little practice box. It's been a couple of weeks since I've practiced. I think the last one I did on video was this one, the park side on video 436, I think. So let's go for a Unity. So yeah, I thought I'd mix it up a bit. You need to stay in practice, and I've not practiced for a little while, like I say. Make sure those are zeroed out. That's just a piece of barbecue skewer, by the way, cut down. And yeah, let's see if we can get a Disc Detainer open. That's too far off. Need to just catch that first disc. That is only just catching. Okay. Let's maybe lose those. Let's see how we get on. Okay. So. Oh, and another tip as well is using washers for spacers. You can use your finger just to keep this where you want it, stop it sliding up and down. So first we traverse the pack, make sure we can get up and down the stack. And this is where I'm going to go quiet for a bit because I really need to think. That was loose, as I've not practiced for a couple of weeks. Like I say, I normally like to try and pick through this box at least a couple of times a week, just to try and keep my muscle memory and everything trim. But like I say, it's been a couple of weeks. We've had some things going on, road traffic accidents with the wife and stuff to sort out, so that was loose. Hence why my giveaway is delayed. God, I'm so rusty. This is why you need to practice, folks. And it's all well and good learning how to pick Disc Detainer locks, lever locks, dimples and everything else, but you need to practice. You need to practice all these techniques all the time. Oh, mate. Some days, you feel like there's more chance of picking your nose with your elbow. Here we go. Oh, we got it. Finally. Yeah, so very, very important. Practice. Practice all your skills. And the more sorts of locks you need to pick, well, learn how to pick, the more you need to practice all those, what's the word? All those skills. There we go. So it still works fine. So that's a Unity 40mm, 100% stainless steel it says. Disc Detainer lock, picked with the Sparrows Disc Detainer pick. That's it from there folks, thanks for watching, see you soon, bye bye.